Okay, let's talk about that A2. So yeah, the goal with this is just to demonstrate it at the 120. Just that. So if you have yet to get the full thing up to 120, remember to break it down into sections. For example, working on this, I'm sure that'll be the easiest one. But yeah, just try that. Can you do that at the 120? If yes, move on to the next part. Then like this section, you want to do that at the 120. See if you can. Work it up if you need to. Make sure you can play this section at 120 on its own. And then next, you can do like one line at a time. Or you could do both of those because that's kind of the similar idea. Make sure you can do all that at 120. And then make sure you can do all this at the 120. And then the one that's not showing up, there we go. That's kind of an oddball. Make sure you can do that at the 120 as well. So again, if you have not been able to play the whole thing on 20, do it section by section to make sure you can. And then start putting them all together. Any section that you cannot play at 120, you got to work that up. And for this stuff, so remember the idea was, the process is you highlight this and you can put it on Guitar Pro, put it on loop, and you go up in 20s to make sure you can play the different steps. Whenever you reach a step you cannot play or get up to 180, that's the one that you work up in 5s. You did pretty good for most of these steps. However, step, which one was it, 11? That's when, yeah, I think it was this one. It sounded like pick strokes were being missed, so you couldn't get that one, or 12 or 13. So work on step 11, work that up in 5s, because that needs to happen here. And then the bonus steps, you don't need to worry about those. That's only if going from step 12 to step 13 just won't happen and it's a stumbling block, because I can see how that happens for a lot of people. So that's why I got the bonus steps in there. So if going from 12 to 13 doesn't work too well, then we go to the bonus steps instead. But for right now, we got to work on getting step 11 up to the 180, going up in 5s. And the tapping, as it got faster, notes were being cut out prior to string changes. So we need to fix that. So we're just going to work on some eighth notes this week, or at least the remainder of the week, and see where you get with this. Hopefully doing the eighth notes will help you get a better feel for those pulled off notes being completed prior to the string change. So make sure all those notes are completed prior to the string change. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I'm not doing that right. I forgot to double it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 21, 2, 3, 4. One 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. terrible. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Anyway, so yeah, again with the 3/4 time signature etude, go through the individual sections. Make sure you can do all those at the 120. Basically, every 2 lines. You can break it down into smaller pieces if you need to, and then this by itself. So those are the different sections. Basically, just two lines at a time, and then this at the end will be the 1. Break it into smaller pieces if you need to. For example, maybe this would be a problem doing both of those lines at once, so you can just work up 1 line at a time. So whatever you can't do on its own at 120 right away, then you work that up to make sure you can get it. And then step 11 for this, that's what you need to work on going up into 5s to make sure you get at least to the 180. If you can go faster, all the better, but 180 is a good goal to shoot for. And I think that does it. All right, any questions come up, let me know, and I'll see you again on Tuesday.